First, download the driver for Canon LBP6030B or W from its official website. Then click on download. Then double click on the downloaded media and it will extract the downloaded media. After downloading and extracting, click on window, then type control panel, then click on view device and printer, then click on printer and scanner, then click on add device. It will take some time. Then click on add a new device manually, then select add a local printer or network with manual setting. Then here select USB and printer name must be visible. Then click next, then click on have disk, then click on browse, then click on the downloaded media, then click on driver, then click on UFRI, then UK English, then click on 64-bit, then click on driver, then select the INF file, then open, then OK, then next, then click on next, then click on next. It will install driver. If you want to share, then click the share. If you don't want, then click on don't share this printer, then click next, then click finish.